Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tim, here with 8-Bit Chicken, and today I'm going to teach you how to make refrigerator pickles without using sugar, so stick around. First step's going to be go ahead and slice your cucumbers however you prefer, whether it's spears, discs like I'm doing, or whole if you want to do it that way. Once again, these are cucumbers out of my garden. Those were yellow cucumbers that are minis, and these here are nice full-size greens. The beauty about this is there will be a variety of color in the jar. Make sure you go ahead and check out my Instagram, 8-Bit Chicken. Get all the updates before they hit YouTube. And let's speed this up because it's taking way too long. You're going to want roughly 5 to 6 small cucumbers. And then go ahead and chop up 2 cloves of garlic. Oh yeah. Go ahead and throw all of that into your mason jar along with 1 clove of dill on the bottom, and then we're going to go ahead and toss another clove at the very end right on top. Mix the colors, make it look nice, like a nice little fancy Bob Ross painting. Happy little cucumbers all in a jar. Give that shake. Shake and settle, shake and settle. Go ahead and add half a teaspoon of pickling spices, and then half a teaspoon of peppercorns. The recipe will be in the description below, along with the book from which I found it. So hop over to Amazon and purchase it if you're into the pickling things, because anything you purchase from that link helps me out. So now we're gonna go ahead and add half a cup of distilled white vinegar. From there, we're going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of pickling salt or fine sea salt. Give it a little stir to dissolve it up. Then heat it up until it's fine and nice and dissolved. Usually a slight simmer will do this. The induction burner will be also below in Amazon. I love this thing. It does great for brewing and for pickling. Go ahead and use your handy dandy pickling funnel and dump your vinegar mixture with your salt into there. Oh yeah. As you see, it doesn't fill up quite as much, so we're going to top it off with a little bit of water. And then from there, go ahead and top it off with a little bit more vinegar. It's all just eyeballing from here. I did have these last week and they were delicious. You're going to want to let them sit for 24 hours before you try them, but at least 3 days if you can, and they will last up to 2 to 3 months. But mine didn't last 2 weeks. These are great pickles. A little on the vinegar side if that's what you're into. I really enjoyed them. And then, like I said, just store them in your fridge.